Good day po, teachers! So ngayon po ay isi-share ko po sa inyo yung list po ng schools, divisions, and regions na meron na pong SARO para po sa Performance-Based Bonus 2022. So ito po yung mga list. So una po is we have the Division of Ormoc City. So to cover the funding requirements for the payment of fiscal year 2022 performance-based bonus of eligible officials and employees. Next po, we have the Division of Ormoc City, Ipil National High School, New Ormoc City National High School, Division of Tacloban City, Cirilo Roy Monteo National High School. Next, Leyte National High School, Maras Baras National High School, Sagkahan National High School. So, congrats po sa inyo. So, hintayin nyo rin po yung notice of cash allotment, no? Para po mabigay na po yung ating performance-based bonus. So, next we have the San Jose National High School, Tacloban National High School, Tacloban City Knight High School, Tacloban National Agricultural School, Division of Southern Leyte, Pintuyan National Vocational High School, Silago National Vocational School, Villa Jacinta National Vocational School, Division of Baybay City, Baybay National High School. Next, we have Daihagan National. Next po is, ito po, pinaka-latest na balita po ngayong araw. Kakapost lang din po, Regional Office NCR to release the allotment to cover the fiscal year 2022 performance-based bonus of school-based personnel of the DepEd NCR. So, mabuhay po kayo, DepEd. Next, we have Division of Samar, Basay National High School, Calbiga National High School, Clarencio Calagos Memorial School of Fisheries, Hinabangan National High School, West Coast Agricultural High School, Santa Margarita National High School, Ilocos Sur National High School, Tarangnan National High School, Valeriano Ciancha Memorial Agricultural School, Wright National High School. We have also Division of Calbayog City, Rafael Lentejas Memorial School of Fisheries, Division of Catbalogan City, Catbalogan National Comprehensive High School, or formerly known as Samar National High School, Samar National High School, and Division of Leyte. So, congratulations po sa mga schools, sa mga divisions and regions na meron na pong SARO for performance-based bonus. So, ang next na po ay yung notice of cash allotment, and then ma-release na po yung ating performance-based bonus sa ating mga division. So, please subscribe po and hit that notification bell para updated po tayo sa mga SAROs na paparating at any latest news about DepEd. Yun lang po at maraming salamat!